This video looks at hire purchase, which is abbreviated to HP. Now, receiving goods by making an initial part payment or a deposit and then paying the remaining cost over a required number of weeks, months, or years is called hire purchase. The disadvantage to paying by hire purchase is that the goods tend to be more expensive than paying for them in full at the time of purchase. This is how companies make their money, because you're taking out a loan after you pay the deposit and you're paying an interest rate upon that loan. So in the first example, Zach buys a new desk. He makes a deposit of £175 and agrees to pay 12 monthly instalments of £22.50. How much does he pay in total? So first off, we've got the deposit. That's a fixed rate. It's £175. We then need to work out how much he's paying for those 12 monthly instalments of £22.50. So we do 12 multiplied by £22.50, and that gives us a total for the instalments of £270. Then to work out the total that Zach's paying, we need to add these together. So 175 plus 270 gives us a total of £445. So the desk will cost Zach £445 because he's paying it on hire purchase. So he's actually probably paying more for the desk than the ticket price. In the second example, Rory gets quotes for a £4,000 bathroom suite. Which of the three companies has the cheapest quote? We've got ABZ Baths, who charge a deposit of 10% and then 16 instalments at £250. We've got Baths R Us, whose deposit is 14.5% and instalments 12 at £315, and Taps for You has a deposit of £500 and the instalments are 18 at £214.50. And we need to work out what the price of each quote is so that we can compare them. So let's look at ABZ Baths first. The deposit is 10%, so we need to work out what 10% of the £4,000 cost of the bathroom suite is. And we do that by 0.1 times 4,000, which gives us a deposit of £400. Now we need to work out the cost of the instalments. So for ABZ Baths, we've got 16 instalments at £250. So if we multiply them together, we get a total of £4,000. So you can see that with ABZ Baths, the total is going to be £4,400. So in order to use HP, Rory is going to have to pay an extra £400. At Baths R Us, they want a bigger deposit. They want 14.5% of the £4,000 cost of the bathroom suite. So 14.5% as a decimal is 0.145. If we multiply that by 4,000, the deposit at Baths R Us is going to be £580. Now the instalments are over a shorter period of time. They're just over 1 year. So we've got 12 at £315. So the instalments at Baths R Us are going to give us a total of £3,780. So the total quote for Baths R Us is going to be adding them together and gives us a total of £4,360. So you can see we're saving £40 on ABZ. Finally, let's look at Taps for You. They've got a fixed deposit of £500. And then we need to work out the instalments. This time they're paying for the bathroom suite over 18 months. So it's 18 times £214.50. And that gives us a total for the instalments of £3,861. So if we add them together, the total for Taps for You is £4,361, which is £1 more expensive than Baths R Us. We want to know the cheapest quote, so to answer the question, you can see that Baths R Us has the cheapest quote. So we need to state that explicitly. So Baths R Us has the cheapest quote, and we need to state what that cheapest quote value is, and that's at £4,361. £360. Our final example, we've got Faye, who wants to buy a car priced at £14,000. She pays a 10% deposit and gets a 3.4% APR deal over 3 years. We want to know how much are her monthly payments and how much does Faye pay in total. Now, APR stands for annual percentage rate. So that's the interest that she's going to pay on the balance of the loan. So first off, we need to work out what that deposit is so that we can work out what the balance of the loan is, and that's 10% at £14,000. So 0.1 times 14,000 gives us a deposit of £1,400. Now we're going to deduct that from the price of the car to work out the balance. So 14,000 take away 1,400, which was our deposit, equals £12,600. Now you can see that we've got an interest rate of 3.4% APR. So that means that she's going to have to pay 103.4% over those 3 years, which is a multiplier of 1.034. So to work out the total owed, we need to multiply the balance, 12,600, by that multiplier to work out the interest that she's going to have to pay. So the total owed is 1.034 multiplied by 12,600, and that gives us a value of £13,028.40. Now, we're asked for the monthly payments, and you can see that the period we've been given is 3 years. So we need to convert that into months, and we know that there's 12 months in 1 year. So what we need to do now is do 3 times 12, which gives us 36 months. And so we need to work out how we're going to split that £13,028.40 over 36 months. So our instalments are going to be £13,028.40 divided by 36. And that gives us a monthly payment of £361.90. So that means after Faye's paid her deposit of £1,400, she'll have to pay 36 equal payments of £361.90 per month. Now part B asks us, how much does Faye pay in total? So we need to add the deposit to the total owed. So the deposit that Faye paid for the car was £1,400, which we calculated in part A, and the total owed is £13,028.40. So if we add these together, we're going to find out that Faye paid a total cost of £14,428.40 for the car.